In the vast tapestry of existence, where the threads of the known and the unknown intertwine, lies a realm where magic and science dance in harmony. This is the quantum reality, a place of infinite possibilities, where the very fabric of existence is woven with the energies of the universe. Here, we find that our consciousness is not merely a passive observer, but an active participant in the creation of our reality. Magic, often perceived as the art of the impossible, is the bridge between the seen and the unseen. It is the whisper of the universe, calling us to explore beyond the boundaries of our rational minds. By tapping into the subtle energies that permeate all things, we unlock the potential to traverse deeper realms of consciousness and discover the true extent of our influence. Within the quantum realm, the rules of conventional physics melt away, leaving a domain of pure potential. It is here that magic finds its footing, in the dance of particles that exist in a state of flux, waiting for the conscious mind to give them form. Understanding this realm is crucial for those who seek to wield magic, for it is the canvas upon which our intentions are painted. Our thoughts and emotions are more than mere reflections of our inner world. They are the architects of our external reality. By resonating with the frequencies of the quantum field, we shape the very essence of our existence. It is through this resonance that we can manifest our deepest desires and sculpt our destiny. Creative visualization is an ancient practice that empowers us to manifest our desires. By forming vivid images in the mind's eye, we engage the subconscious, which knows no limits. This powerful technique allows us to see beyond the present, into a reality of our own making, where our dreams take form. Meditation and mindfulness are not merely practices for inner peace. They are tools for influencing the quantum realm. By focusing inwardly, we release the patterns that limit us and align our vibrations with our goals. These techniques open the door to a world where our intentions can flow freely, unobstructed by doubt or fear. Sigils and symbols are the language through which we communicate with the universe. They are magical elements that operate through form and intention, creating a direct line to the forces that govern reality. By crafting these potent symbols, we send a clear message to the cosmos, declaring our desires and inviting them into our lives. The advances in quantum physics have peeled back the veil, revealing the intricate connections between magic and scientific principles. These discoveries affirm that our consciousness is not a mere byproduct of the brain, but a fundamental force that actively shapes our reality. Creating a magic sigil is a sacred ritual, a declaration of intent that harnesses the power of the universe. To craft a sigil, one must focus on a singular desire, distilling it into a symbol that embodies the essence of that wish. This symbol is then charged with energy, through meditation, visualization, or other magical practices, embedding it within the quantum fabric of reality. As we journey through the mysteries of the quantum universe, we must do so with respect and responsibility. The ethical practice of these ancient arts ensures that our influence is positive and constructive, bringing fulfillment not just to ourselves, but to the world around us.